Hey there, science enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered if time could actually move backwards? Sounds crazy, right? But new research suggests it might just be possible. So let's break this down. Dr. Andrea Rocco from the University of Surrey gives us a simple example. Imagine spilled milk. It spreads across the table but never gathers back into the glass. This shows how we typically see time moving forward. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. In the quantum realm, particles do some pretty weird things. When they interact with their environment, they create what scientists call open quantum systems. Until now, we thought any information that leaked out was lost forever, supporting the idea of one-way time. But guess what? New research suggests there might be a hidden reverse path. Dr. Thomas Guff and his team found an unexpected symmetry in their mathematical equations when they reversed time. It turns out, this memory kernel symmetry is key to keeping the backward path valid. Crazy, huh? Now you might be wondering about the second law of thermodynamics, which says entropy or disorder always increases. Even with two directions, this law still holds. Think of it like this. No matter which direction you start from, entropy increases, making each direction seem irreversible. That's why spilled milk doesn't unspill. And here's a wild thought. Imagine if the universe began with a clear initial condition. It could have created two directions of time simultaneously. We experience one, but another might be evolving from the same starting point. Mind equals sign blown. This fascinating study was published in. While we can't pinpoint the exact date from the Earth.com article, the findings are truly groundbreaking. So, can time really move backwards? The answer might be more complex than we ever imagined. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-bending science content. See you next time.